Hey, dummy, don't freeze me without blanching, I'll get mushy. Store fresh in the fridge for up to a month, or freeze after quick boil. You idiot, don't wash me before storing, I'll spoil fast. Keep dry in the fridge in a ventilated container for 3 to 5 days. Listen, fool, don't store fresh beans in plastic, they'll sweat and mold. Keep in a paper bag in the fridge crisper for 2 weeks. Hey, lazy, don't remove my husk too soon, I'll dry out. Store in the husk in the fridge for 1 to 2 days max. Hey, you fools, store us all properly. Dry and ventilate in the fridge, no early washing or plastic traps, or we'll mold, dry out, and spoil on you.